Microsoft Word, Chapter 7, Project 1G. Project 1G, changing column width and row height. With our 7- table stock open, change the width of the first column in the top table by completing the following steps. 1A, click the cell with the name Maggie Rivera. Okay. 1B, position the mouse pointer on the Move Table column marker just right. Okay. Let's take a look right here, because you want to be very careful to get the Move Table column. See how that lights up and says Move Table column, and it has a double-headed left and right pointing white arrow. Okay? C, press and hold down the Shift key, okay, and then the left mouse button. Drag the marker to 1.25. Okay, just like that. And I know you're guessing on the measurement. That's okay. Complete steps similar to those in step 1 and drag the Move Table column marker just right at the 3-inch mark in the horizontal ruler. Okay, let's look at this one again. I love this moving stuff using the ruler. Now you know I hate to work with a ruler because it's not accurate, but I'm going to do it because that's what they said to do. So we're going to the next Move column marker, which is right here. Okay? And we're going to move this to 2.75. Okay, right about there. And your book does warn you, make sure the text account manager in the second column does not wrap. If it does, then you would grab this and pull it to the right. Okay? That is too small right there. All right. Step number 3, change the width of the third column in the top table by completing the following steps. Position the mouse pointer on the grid line separating the third and the fourth columns. Okay, right there. Until the pointer turns into a left and right pointing arrow with a vertical double line in the middle. Press and hold down your alternate key and your left mouse button at the same time. Drag the grid line to the left until the measurement for the third column on the horizontal ruler displays as 1.31, and then always let go of Alt first. So if you watch, .3, Alt let go of Alt, let go. Again, if it's not exactly at 1.31 and mine was at 1.3, my computer just got upset with me. Close enough, right? It's close enough. Don't even worry about a 0.1. No one can see that with the naked eye. All right, step number 4. Position the mouse pointer on the grid line that separates the telephone number from the extension. The telephone number from the extension, which is right here. And then drag the grid line to the 5.25-inch marker on the horizontal ruler and make sure the phone number doesn't wrap. Okay. I cause it to wrap. I'll pull it right back up. Okay. Just like that. All right. Step number 5, drag the right border of the top table to the 5.75-inch mark. So we're just going to get on this border right here. Hold down my alternate key. And drag that right in like that. Okay, again, if you don't have those measurements exactly right, it's very difficult to do on the ruler. That's why I like to use a dialog box, but they have you using the ruler, so just get it as close as you can, okay? Step number 6, automatically fit the columns in the bottom table by completing the following steps. 6A, click in any cell in the bottom table. 6B, click the Auto Fit button in the Cell Size group on the Table Tools Layout tab. Okay, so we got to go to Table Tools Layout, and then we want our Cell Size group, and right here it says Auto Fit. And you want to auto fit your contents. Okay, that one I like because it's very quick, very easy, and it adjusted every column to the proper width for the text that's there. Step number 7. Increase the height of the first row in the bottom table by completing the following steps. 7A. Make sure the insertion point is positioned in one of the cells in the bottom table. 7B. Position the mouse pointer on the top adjust table row marker on the vertical ruler. Okay? That's this one right here. Press and hold down your alternate key and then hold down the left mouse button. Drag the adjust table row marker down until the first row measurement on the vertical ruler displays as 0.39 and then release the mouse. Okay? 0.39. Again, you get close enough. Okay? So we made it bigger, right? All right, step number 8. Increase the height of the first row in the top table by completing the following steps. Click in any cell in the top table. Position the arrow pointer on the grid line at the bottom of the top row right here. Sorry, right here. Come here, you. Got it. Double-headed black arrow with the double line in between. Okay? Hold down your Alt key. And we want it to be I'm at 0.33. There's 41, 41, 36. Come on. .3, it's close enough for me. Okay? All right, that's all you need to do for this one. Go ahead and save, and you're ready to move on to your next video.